Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, it's a mixture between taktuk and zalouk. Is eggplant, bell peppers and tomatoes the Moroccan way. So delicious and nutritious. You will love this recipe. It's easy to make and so delicious. It's very good hot entree. You will love this recipe. Stay with me to see all the steps. As you see here, I add some olive oil in the end after I turn off the stove. First of all, we take a nice pot like that. We put a very good quantity of olive oil because eggplant it needs olive oil when you will cook it. Some hot pepper, jalapeno pepper, or any hot pepper if you like it's a little spicy, and some diced tomatoes. I have a pound of diced tomatoes here. You can use the fresh ones or as I used here, the canned one, but it's a organic one and no salt added. It's a good quality. And a spoon of tomato paste. This quantity of tomatoes is good for 2 eggplants and like 4 bell peppers. I chop some fresh garlic here. You can use garlic powder too if you don't have the fresh one. But on this recipe, the fresh one, it's better. But if you don't have, you can use the powder one. Mix everything together. We will leave this tomatoes simmer until they get thick and nice. Here I add a good quantity, 1 bouquet of chopped fresh cilantro. It goes really good with eggplant. Cilantro is good in this recipe. Mix everything together. And I will leave it to simmer. At this point, you can add the spices now if you like to. The salt to pepper, depend on quantity that you're using. Cumin, don't use too much cumin, but a little bit, like a small teaspoon. Some paprika. If you have smoked paprika, it comes really good. You can use the regular paprika and also smoked paprika. It gives it a very, very good flavor. And if you like it more spicy, you can add chili powder or some sriracha sauce. Then I covered. After a few minutes, you see how the tomatoes are cooked. We need the texture like that. Before that, we start adding this is our roasted 2 eggplants in the air fryer, and I took the inside of the eggplant. It's very soft. You chop it and you add it here. You can also cut it, take some of the skin and roast it in the oven if you like to, or on the top of the grill. And I have 4 bell peppers, red bell peppers, roasted ones. I clean them from the skin. Then I chop them like that. Mix everything. At this point, everything is cooked. We will only mix it for a few minutes. Leave it like 5 minutes on the top of the stove until all the flavors mix and get together. At this point, you can taste if you need any salt or some spices. And you cook it until you be sure that there is no liquid there. You don't want it to be all watery. Now it's done. It looks really good. See, when I move the eggplant and peppers, you don't see no fluids, no liquid. That means it's done, and all the flavors, it's good together. I turn off the stove, and now I add some olive oil, or you can wait until that you are serving, and you add some olive oil on the top of eggplant and the peppers on the serving plate. Now it's ready to serve. Delicious and nutritious. You have to taste it and make this dish. Really, it's so delicious. You will love this dish. You can eat it with some fresh bread. Dip it with the bread, pita bread, or any other kind of bread. Let me know in the comments how did you like it. Hopefully you will make this recipe and let me know how it comes. Thank you for watching, and see you next time in a new video and new recipe. Enjoy and stay healthy.